In this video, I am going to show you how to find and use the class search page. Start by logging into your Buff Portal account. Click on the three menu lines on the top left and click on Registration and Advising, then search for classes, or type in Search for Classes at the top. You will then land on the CU Boulder class search page. You'll notice there are a lot of filters on the left side that will help you narrow down your search. Make sure the term filter is set to the correct semester. Always change the Any Campus filter to Boulder Main Campus. The Any Career/Course Level filter is also really helpful, especially if you are a first-year student. If you are a first-year student, we recommend you select the Undergrad Lower Division filter instead. This will narrow down your search to classes with codes that start with a 1 or a 2. Other filters you can use are credit hours, instruction mode, class status, and more. If you're looking to fulfill a general education area in your degree audit, you can use the Gen Ed filters to access a list of classes you can select from. To do this, click on the General Education/Core Classes search. Then click on any ANS Gen Ed attributes and change it to the area you are interested in working on. For example, Global Perspective. Then click on the Search Classes button. When looking through your options, make sure to pay special attention to all the class notes. On this page, you can find class locations, times, instruction modes, restrictions, and class descriptions. Keep in mind that some classes have multiple sections. For example, this class. It has 1 lecture and 6 recitations. If a class lists both lecture and recitation, then you are required to pick one of each. Recitations are required once a week, small group breakout sessions from the larger lecture. Not all classes will have recitations. If a course has multiple sections, it is important that you look at the details of each one of them closely, as the information about the course can vary. For example, this recitation is taught remotely, while this recitation for the same class is taught in person. You also want to look out for restrictions. For example, this class, with 2 lecture sections. The first lecture is restricted to freshmen and sophomores only, while the second lecture is restricted to freshmen and sophomores only, but also only for students in the honors program. If you find a course with a restriction that does not apply to you, it is best to look through sections that are not restricted or a different course. Once you find classes that sound interesting to you, add them to your shopping cart and schedule a meeting with your academic advisor to plan for registration and more.